Come here, listen. You hear that? This car's engine makes a knocking sound while running. Now if you take it to a repair shop, they'll tell you the engine has scored cylinders, force you to overhaul the whole engine. They'll charge you $8,000 minimum. This is totally wrong. Today I'll show you the real cause. Look here. We unscrew the oil cap. Oh my god. This oil cap is covered with thick sludge. This means that you added the wrong engine oil or added low-quality fake engine oil. Just swap the oil. Knock disappears instantly. There is another possibility. You unscrew the cap, find it spotless clean. Then it's low oil pressure. Oil ain't reaching the top. Lack of lubrication in the engine. So there was a knocking sound. In this case, you spend $50. Clean the oil pan and pump screen filter. Knock vanishes on the spot. Well, stupid easy, right? Got it now? Follow me. 1,000 car tips await ya.